idea number 32.
Please, my lords. My lords, I filed an application seeking permission to place on record an inquiry report dated 16th of March 2018 by the learned Lokayukt, which is the respondent number 2 in the matter. My lords, I would like to pay some importance on the paragraph number 19, which
What
is
is the matter? Case kya hai?
My lords, the matter is that the petitioner is a construction firm,
Yes.
and on 22nd December 2011, a notice invite tender was published by the R1.
27.
Please, my lords.
Date of NIT?
NIT is 22 December 2011.
Yes.
Please, my lords. The notice invite tender was issued for beautification of Siddha Ghat and Gwari Ghat. In 2012, wide work order dated 12th March 2012 and subsequent agreement, the work was given to us.
Indeed.
Thereafter, my lords, on 10th of August 2012, the work was completed and the certificate for completion was also issued to us.
Indeed.
Please, my lords. And then on 6th of June 2014, the security deposit was also returned to us, which was nearly 11 lakh rupees.
Indeed.
Please, my lords. Thereafter, my lords, all of a sudden in 2015, we received the impugned letters. One is dated 28 December 2015. The other is 9th of Feb 2016.
Ji.
Thereby, we are informed, my lords, that a complaint has been registered with the R2. And based on that R2, we are in default of providing sub-quality or doing sub-quality construction, and hence we are liable to pay a compensation of 10 lakh and 84,000 rupees.
Ji.
We were told to pay that within a period of 7 days, failing which the recovery proceedings will be done.
Ji.
Now, wide letter dated 9th of Feb 2016, the R1 has issued the letter to R2 stating that the said amount of 10 lakh 84, the alleged default, has been deducted from our 2 other contracts, other tenders,
Right.
which are also pending with the R1.
Yes.
One of that was the security deposit of Tilwara Ghat, which was with us. That was for an amount of 10,45,398.
Indeed.
The other was a 5% security deposit, which is kept by the municipal for the Nag Mandir, which was rupees 38,602.
Ji.
So total amounting to 10,84,000 rupees. Now, my lords, against these 2 impugned letters, we have approached this Honorable Court in 2016.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lords, an internal inquiry has also been conducted before the learned Lokayukt,
Ji.
the report of which I have annexed now by way of the IA.
Report is on page number.
It is at page number, my lords,
52, my lord.
52.
page number 52.
Yes.
Please, my lords.
Relevant paragraph is
Relevant paragraph is page number is 19, my lords.
19.
Yes, my lord. The conclusion. Yes, my lord. 19.1 and 19.2.
Ji.
Please, my lords. My lords, now during this entire procedure, in the report, it's a lengthy report which has been conducted in detail, and it reads that we are not responsible for any of the allegations leveled upon us. The allegations in conclusion have now come upon the mayor in council
Ji.
of the respondent number 1, who have been held responsible for the entire misconduct which has happened in that particular project.
Ji.
Now, my lords, my humble submission is only that, my lords, I've also previously annexed a case law passed by this Honorable High Court in my main petition at Annex P8, page 110. It reads, MS Rajkumar Singh Chauhan.
Just a minute. आप ये बताइए NIT में arbitration clause है आपकी? जो आपने agreement किया था उसमें arbitration clause है? Can you make a recovery without resorting to the process of arbitration?
My lord, in fact, the recovery
In fact,
was-
please. It is clear from the report that with a view to save your officers, you levied this penalty or recovery on the contractor. The only moot question which is to be answered here is at whether there is an arbitration clause under the agreement. 1. 2. If there is an arbitration clause, can you make any recovery without resorting to that arbitration provision?
Not that the agreement, NIT is not on record, my
You
lord.
are appearing for the municipal
But
corporation.
I am appearing for the municipal corporation. The NIT is not on record, my lord. I have to confirm whether the arbitration clause is there in the
ये
NIT.
तो आपको यहाँ आने से पहले कंफर्म करके आना चाहिए था वकील साहब.
Page 34 is the agreement.
Is NIT on record
Agreement,
or the agreement
Yes, my lord. Page number 34.
page number 34 is the agreement
Yes, my lord.
of the petition.
Please, my lords.
Page 34.
That's the agreement.
Agreement. NIT में होगा, इसमें तो नहीं है आर्बिट्रेशन क्लॉज. NIT में था कि नहीं था?
My lords, next it.
and may I submit the
Ji.
subsequent events of what happened after the
If you are
inquiry?
not interested, this is the basic question. You have to answer this basic issue, that a contract which was for which NIT was issued in NIT 2011, work was completed in 2012, security deposit was returned on 6/6/2014. Can you make a recovery after that without resorting to the clause of arbitration? आप उत्तर नहीं देंगे, आपके कमिश्नर को बुलाऊंगा मैं, फिर आप लोगों को बुरा लगता है.
My lord, may I just
Call
place
your
reliance-
commissioner at 2:15 to answer these queries.
My lord, may I just place reliance on the document of 2022, my lord?
No, I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in getting answers to my question first, then we will see what is to be done. आपका शुभ नाम बताइए मैडम.
Tanish Mehta.
Miss Tanishq Mehta, learned counsel for the petitioner. Shri Siddharth Sharma for the respondent municipal corporation. None for respondent number 2. Next.
My lord, may I just
The moot question involved in the case is twofold. Whether for a contract which was for which NIT was issued on 22/12/2011, work was completed in 2012, security deposit on successful completion of the work was returned on 6/6/2014. Can recovery be made thereafter without resorting to the arbitration clause? Full stop. If a dispute had arisen, then who was responsible without fixing the liability for the defect? Can recovery be made without following the law in this behalf? Full stop. Shri Siddharth Sharma is not in a position to answer any of the queries of this court. Full stop. Let Commissioner Municipal Corporation Jabalpur file his personal affidavit and will also bring copy of the complete set of the NIT on record. Within कितने दिन में लाएंगे? 3 days. List this case on
a week's time will be fine.
7 days कर दीजिए. List this case on 9th August 2023.
My lord, in fact, the intent is not to save the erring officials. My lord, may just see this document of
होगा आपका जो
2022.
भी इंटेंट हो, हम तो इतना बता दीजिए इनसे रिकवरी कैसे
The
हो सकती
recovery
है.
has been made from the erring officials, my lord, and the punishment has also been imposed on them.
Then how can you make recovery twice? You have already deducted certain amounts. Such a petitioner will, respondent will also be required to show as to under which provision of law they are entitled to deduct amounts from the pending bills of the petitioner for other works. At this stage, Shri Siddharth Sharma submits that recovery has been made from the erring officials as per the report of the Lokayukt. Then respondents are required to show that for the same amount of loss, how recovery can be made twice.
the recovery was made in 2015, my lord. This recovery from the erring officials has been made in 2022, my lord.
Whatever it is,
In
but
the present
twice.
position, my lord, it can
So
be,
are you, so you are
can
going to refund their
we can
amount?
refund the amount to them.
नहीं, can मतलब, or you are giving an undertaking.
I undertake to, I'm giving an undertaking that the amount will be refunded to them. It can be
देखिएगा, Shri
disposed of
Siddharth
refund, my
Sharma also gives an undertaking to refund the amount of deduction along with nominal interest.
lord. In 2022 itself,
हाँ,
it has-
तो अरे भाई आपकी गलती है, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर क्यों लूज करेगा इंटरेस्ट? Let affidavit in this behalf be filed by the municipal commissioner within aforesaid period of 7 days. List on, कोई सेम डेट रखिएगा, 9 अगस्त दिया है ना? हाँ, लिस्ट ऊपर से सीक्वेंस बदल लीजिएगा, ठीक है मैडम जी?
Wait,
चलिए।